Okay, so here we have it. It's finally arrived. Promised in December and delivered now end of September. The display mod for the Hero 8 Black. Let's open it up and see what we've got. So there's the normal seals across the bottom. Let's just pop those through and then see what we have. So there's a lot of cardboard, very little plastic. Well, that's plastic on the outside and laminated plastic box. Inside we have 2 leaflets and the box. Oops, and it's fallen out. It's incredibly light. Tucked inside the box is the normal USB-C, and well, there it is. Let's see. Does it open? That opens up somehow. Allegedly. How does this open? This is quite tight. You know what it's like, you've waited this long, you don't want to break it. Oh, there we go, it just clips on. So that is just a case, and there's the monitor, and it is tiny. Small leads, little USB-C protector, screen protectors, there's some sort of plastic all the way around as well. Let's take that off. What is that? That's tape. Looks like clear tape, yeah. There's one button and the USB-C. So let's see how this thing goes together. Here's the Hero 8. I've got to take the side off to put the mod on. Those of you who haven't seen the audio mod is great, but it sucks batteries. So if you've got one, don't leave it in a bag connected up, because by the time you go to use the GoPro, it's dead, which is not cool. So GoPro slides into the mount, as we know. Actually, it'd help if I put it in the right way around, wouldn't it? There we go. And that snaps shut. And then this little puppy slips in the back there. It's quite a snug fit. It's not a traditional connection that you might expect. And then the USB-C is on the back of the display mod. This goes in the top one. Oh, I've got to put a real curl on that. There we go. Made a bit of a pig's ear of that, didn't I? So let's turn her on. And we'll turn on so I've got a display on the back. Turn the button on the side here, I'm guessing. As you can tell, I don't like reading manuals. GoPro logo, update required. Okay, so I've got to update it, but there you go. So that's it, guys. The screen is about the same size as the GoPro, as you can see. And it does seem to, it's got to be a lot better. The GoPro 9 shows you with a small screen on it. I can't imagine working like that. This is probably about the smallest I'd want to work. I'm assuming that clip there is for another cable for audio or something. It doesn't really say. So there you go. That's the display mod for the Hero 8 unboxing. Enjoy.